Shag dancing, it's all done to the same beat. The music that we dance to the most, it's music that just gets in me and makes me feel good. We really love our shag dancing. I went from a shag dancer that would dance 15 or 20 times a night to a shag dancer that could only dance 5 times a night and then might not make it all the way through. I had been totally healthy, never had any health problems, thought health problems were something that was in the mind. And then I had a heart attack and found out it was totally different. After my heart attack, they diagnosed me as being pre-diabetic. Didn't know anything was wrong with my kidneys, thought I was doing great. It is really hard to deal with kidney disease. They've told you it's back there, but you don't know it's back there. And you're losing your energy every day, and you start into a spiral. I lost that energy, that endurance, that strength just kept going away. My physician here sent me to Eastern Nephrology. Met Dr. Shahid and Kathy. Dr. Shahid's one goal was to keep me off dialysis till I could get a kidney transplant. Kathy at Interwell, she actually gave me lots of material, lots of information. All of a sudden, those people that you need, the social worker and dietitians, are there to help you. Meeting with a dietitian was very important. I used to brag that I never had to drink water. I drank nothing but colas and iced tea and coffee. Never drank any water. I'm basically totally all water. We had to change some of our cooking style, go from heavy grease fats to lighter foods, lots of fruits and vegetables. After we changed foods, it made me feel better. It increased my energy, it increased my activity, I could get around better. Kathy caught me in the waiting room and she had me fill out a bunch of questions. She spotted that I was having problems with depression. They started giving me some medication for the depression, and I started feeling better and more confident in what I was doing, and actually started doing more. It was about 7:30, and they called and said, "We've got a kidney. Do you still want it?" We packed up and left, and I think it was 4 hours later I had a new kidney. Good afternoon, East North Carolina Shag Club. Tonight's a big night. It's almost 1 full year since I met my new kidney. We're gonna start around the 50s and 60s, and then we're gonna move it on up. I love to DJ. There is nothing like taking that DJ booth. I waited 4 months before I would go out in public after the transplant. All my friends came, and I got a standing applause when we danced. It was fantastic to be back. Kathy and Interwell Health played a big part in keeping me lined up and keeping me where I needed to be and keeping my questions answered. Anytime you talk with Interwell coordinators, you ask them questions and they give you the real answers. It helps build your spirit because they're there and they're ready to listen and they're ready to work with you. It just makes things so easy instead of guessing or not asking at all. You've got somebody to lean on and depend on.